Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, this is one of the art product that I bought from TEMU. It's an electric eraser. So far it has been working well, but at first I did not know how to remove eraser that is in it right now. But I eventually got it to be removed, and yes, it's working well. I like it and I definitely would recommend it. It uses two batteries, and the part that can be removed is where the erasers are stored. You remove the eraser by squeezing the top really hard. So today I'm starting the process of doing a commission, and this is how I do it quick and easy. Now I use the grid method. You can use any method that you want, but I find that the grid method is very easy to use and quick. Based on my situation, I have a lot of things going on at home, my kids, school, work, some jobs I have to do. So this is one of the easiest way to get the work done.
They had an event here last night.
I decided to go to the beautiful Vancouver Falls and to just relax and to just be by myself and do what I love to do.
Guys, I'm at the beautiful Dunn's River Falls and I'm going to work on a commission, and I totally forgot my tripod to hold my phone, so I don't know how it's going to work in terms of videoing. One of the main things that I wanted to do was to video today, so I don't know how that is going to work. My lip look a bit black, but anyways, let's see how I can do this. Alright guys, it took me a while, but I am now done with the outline. I'm gonna show you if I can. It's not really showing, but this is the outline so far. I have a bit of adjustment to make here and there, but I need to get the photo printed over because I cannot see. So I'm gonna get a higher grade printer so I can see what I'm doing. I cannot see everything on the paper that I printed. So this is the photo and this is it right here. So I'm done for the day and it's now 1:18, and here is the beautiful Dunn's River Falls and Park. So I'm in the park section. And they have an event here, so they had some tools there. It's so beautiful here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm done for today, guys. I think I'm gonna do a live when I'm shading and stuff like that. But only thing I got to use today was this kneaded eraser and this. I didn't need anything else for today. So over there is where I was sitting. It's so beautiful.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.